Hello people, my name is Leo and my last reviews were on guitar, playing Day Tripper, Don't Change, Major Scales, and Run for Your Life with my dad. Today I'm going to be doing a review totally different. It's not about guitar, it's about Air Blaster's Rapid Fire Rifle.
Oh my.
It's from Buzz-Bee, I think, not from Nerf. It's a shotgun.
Whoa.
So it works with clips and shells. So you see this hole in the dart, yeah, and this thing right here in the shell. You put it inside on each. 6 bullets, 6 shells. I wish they had a value pack on this thing so it comes with 12 darts and 2 shells. Okay, after you put all of the bullets in the shells, you put all of them in the shell, which I think you already know because of the Recon CS6 and everything. It's kind of like the same thing because the Recon CS6 uses clips, the long shot uses clips. It's not from Buzz-Bee, it's from Nerf, of course. Today I'm gonna be doing a review on this gun and the Nerf Maverick, which I'm gonna be talking about later. Okay, so when you're done putting all of them in the clip, you put the clip in this rectangle thingy, well, almost like a rectangle, and you put it facing the picture, of course, because this.
Pressing hard?
You know, just like that. Always make sure it clicks.
So cool, dude.
So after that,
Man, so cool.
that.
Okay.
Okay. After that, you pull this thing. Always look here just in case it gets jammed, because sometimes it gets jammed. So after you put the clip in, you pull this thing. Zoom here. And you're gonna see a bullet right here. See there? And then when you pull it back, the bullet's here. Then you pull it back. After that, oh yes, look. These and this thing right here are for, aiming. I wish you could attach a laser like the Nerf gun. So I'm gonna be shooting. For what? First, I'm gonna shoot. How do you call this guy?
Goku.
I missed. After you shoot, you do the same thing again. Then the shell is gonna come out.
Whoa.
That was the shell. And then you pull it back again. That's the next bullet. And then you pull it back so it goes in for the next shot.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna be doing the distance test. So here we go.
Try to shoot a little guy.
I'm gonna shoot the clone trooper right there.
Wait.
I shot it.
Again.
It shoots pretty far. Look. And then the shell again. You pull it.
Whoa.
And pull it back.
Wait,
now I'm
wait.
not gonna be shooting the clone trooper. I'm gonna be shooting
No, you got
at
again.
the wall for the distance test. shoots very far. It's a suction cup dart. It sticks on walls. Here goes the shell again. It holds 6 darts. I shot. This is my second. And there's the next bullet right here. It's like, yeah, it's a realistic gun. I mean, well, it's not a real shotgun, but it looks like a realistic one.
You like it?
I'm gonna do a paint job to it, and I just got it today. My daddy had to go all the way to Long Island. These are the bullets. This is plastic. Plastic on the sticker.
Sticker.
One more shot.
This, now try the stone guy. 1 second. Aim good. Let's do this, Johnny.
Papi.
Oh, you missed.
Almost.
Alright.
If you do this thing 2 times and do it again, the bullet is gonna come out and it gets jammed.
Mm-hmm.
So only do it once, but very slowly. You see, it just got jammed. Wait. Okay. Look, just only do it once, cause look. Wait. Wait a second. Only do it once, cause look, it comes by itself. Just do that.
Okay. Alright, hijo.
So now, well, yeah, bye. My review was on the Air Blaster Rapid Fire rifle. Bye, signing off.